Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this easy and beautiful TV blanket. It's just granny stitch, so easy to make. And for this I use this yarn, Ethiopia Crafts Cuddle. One ball is 100 grams, 60 meters. It's a category 6 yarn, and I use totally 16 balls. And with this I use a 12mm hook. It's 110 centimeters, 140 centimeters rectangle, and that's the length. Okay, that's the long side. So if you want to make it longer, shorter, you need to change the chain numbers. I'm gonna explain you in the video. It's so easy to adjust. For the bigger size, I started with 82 chains and make 38 rows totally. It's multiples of 3, so you can change it as you like. And that's all. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We can start now. Start with a slip knot. I'm gonna show you with a little sample, so I will make 15 chains. It's multiples of 3. Now skip 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, insert into the 4th chain, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Count these 3 chains as the first double crochet, and that's the second. We are gonna make one more into same place. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Skip 2 chains, insert into the 3rd, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 chains into the 3rd, make 3 double crochets. Skip 1, 2 into the 3rd, make 3. Skip 1 and into the next. Okay, this time we only skipped 1. Into the next stitch I'm gonna put only 1 double crochet. We will finish with only 1 double crochet. Okay, now chain 3 as the first double crochet, and into this space here you are gonna make 2 more. Skip here, into this next space put 3 double crochets. Skip all these 3 into the space, make 3 double crochets. And into this next space make 3 again. and into this chain, we started with 3 chains, if you remember. Into this chain I'm gonna put one more double crochet. And while I'm making this one, I will change the color too. You can use any technique while changing the yarn. I'm gonna use this way. Just cut this yarn, leave a short tail, okay? Just lose this last stitch. You can put it like this. You see, while I'm changing the color, I will not make the last stitch later. I'm gonna leave a yarn almost this length. Put these two together. Grab this one, put it on it, okay? This will be on the top. Just wrap it around the yarn, make a knot. Your tail will look to the right side. And with this, make the same thing. This will be on the left side. Yeah. You can cut here. It will not open. And make the last double crochet. Okay, it will be the first color or second color. It's not important. We are gonna make a border anyway. Chain 3, turn into this space, make 2 double crochets. Okay, with this one it will be 3. Into the next space, make 3. Next, and into this last chain, put only 1 double crochet. And that's all we are gonna repeat, okay? Just 1 row repeat. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger and show you the border. I made it a little bit bigger and I complete it with the color I started, and I'm gonna make the border with the light color. And for the border we will only make half double crochets for 1 row. Chain 1, turn into this first stitch. I'm gonna put 1, 2 half double crochets. That's the corner. We are gonna put 3 half double crochets into the corners. I'm gonna make the last one when I turn back here. Okay, into this next stitch, put a half double crochet, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn over, pull through all. Put 1 half double crochet into each stitch. That's the last stitch. Okay, I'm gonna put 3 half double crochets here. 1, 2, 3. And for the side, we don't have any stitch, so around the double crochet I'm gonna put 2 half double crochet. I made the first one. I'm gonna make the second into this post or around this side post. Now you see this double crochet. You can put the first one into the stitch, second one into this post. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. And for here I'm gonna put 1. I will not put 1 into this post. I'm gonna use this chain. 1, 2, 3. Just turn and put 1 half double crochet into each chain or around each chain. It's not important, okay? I had 1 here, so I put 1. I put 1 into here. I have 2 chains. 1, 2. 1. Now into this last one, I'm gonna put 1. Okay, there's 12 stitches, 13 stitches here, 12 stitches here. So into this chain, third chain, I'm gonna put 3 half double crochets, and this will fix the shape too. Now into the post put 1, into the stitch put 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. Around this post I'm gonna put 1, and into this stitch I'm gonna put 1 half double crochet, chain from this first stitch with a slip stitch. Just make 1 more chain and cut the yarn, and we will hide the tail. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.